Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today what we're going to show you is a really nice heavy-duty press brake. This is made by a company called Bertsch. Been around for probably about 100 years. They're very big in the shears, rolls, and press brakes. So they're a big fab company. Very nice and heavy-duty. You can see everything's been built to just absolute girth to make it very strong and rigid for you. It's got the die rail in it. It's going to have a 2-axis controller. So we have the single axis in and out for your back gauge, and your ram's also going to have your ram CNC controlled right here by your Hurco Autobend 5C. We'll go through a couple of the options on it, show you it has a dual palm, has a foot pedal, and we'll cycle it a few times, let you hear it. What we'll do is we're going to go up and down, letting it cycle, and you'll notice the back gauge is going to come in. We've got a little bit of a program in there. You'll see the stations change as well as the part numbers. So you can see it's going to be a 2-speed ram. So you're going to have a fast approach, a slow form, and a quick retreat. And what that's going to do is give you a lot of production so that you don't have to wait each time for the slow approach to come all the way down before you start forming. This will make it a little bit quicker for you. So right now we're in our fabricating facility where we keep all the press brakes, shears, punches, iron workers, all the heavy duty fabricating equipment. At our other facility just a few blocks away, we carry another hundreds of machines for milling machines, saws, lathes, grinders, and sanders. Right here you can see a few of the machines in our facility. Here's a brand new Cincinnati 175-ton, 10-foot. We do have these machines here for demonstration, so you can come take a look and see the latest and greatest from Cincinnati and some other manufacturers as well. Have some used Cincinnati's in right now, Y-Song. A lot of different press brakes here on our floor, so you can see the differences between all the styles, the different hydraulics, as well as the different control operations that might make it easier for your production. I'll cycle it a few more times. I want to take a close-up right here of this, and you'll go ahead and see how it does change. Right now we're in station 2. It's got a very small dimension that the back gauge is going to cycle to. As soon as the ram gets back up to the top, you see it's back onto station 1 at the 1-inch dimension. You take a close look at the back gauge here, and you'll see as soon as the ram reaches the top, it's going to go ahead and move to the next step. I just wanted to go ahead and show you, here's the different down speeds where you can choose your high over low, high over medium, and medium over high. I'm going to move it to the high over low, and that's going to let you see how quick it'll come down, slow form, and go back up. So now you can watch the ram. See, it's much quicker on the approach, slow forming, and this is going to be the slow back up. So depending on which speed you need for your production, this machine should have everything. There you go. So it's a nice running press brake. Everything is certified, guaranteed over here at Sterling Machinery. Give us a call if you're interested, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory as well as some great financing options and press brake tooling at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.